Toyota has revealed the new Toyota Yaris 130 hybrid. It is powered by a 1.5-liter hybrid powertrain, making 130 horsepower and 185 Nm of torque, allowing the car to accelerate to 100 km per hour in just 9.2 seconds. At launch, the new Yaris will include a special Premier Edition offered with a new dedicated Neptune Blue bi-tone paintwork with a contrast black roof and pillars. The blue theme is repeated in the seats upholstery stitching and deco lines on the instrument and door panels, plus newly designed 17-inch black machined alloy wheels. The updates also include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a more responsive 10.5-inch multimedia touchscreen, and a new digital key, which is compatible with both Apple and Android devices. Guys, if you like the new car, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.